For this project, we will have 3 printed pages. 1 on white cardstock, and 2 on colored cardstock. On this page, simply cut out the 2 diamond shapes. We want this page to be a square, so we will cut off the extra paper on the top and bottom. On the white page, we just need to cut out the 4 cute little hearts. You can use scissors to cut out the shapes. Personally, I prefer magic. Now, for the square piece. And the hearts. Here are all the pieces cut out. Next, we need to make some folds. Let's start with the big square. Fold the square in half. Crease it down really well. Now, turn the page 90 degrees and fold it in half again. Crease it good. We've folded the vertical and horizontal lines. Now, let's fold the diagonals. Crease, crease, crease. Now for the other diagonal. Final creases. And there you go. You should now have folds on all of the lines. Now, it's time to fold it into the flower shape. Start by folding it in half so that the flower is front and center. Now, take the 2 folds on the bottom and push up on the folded edge. This creates a little diamond that covers the flower. Simply fold back the left side to reveal the flower again. Now, let's do the same thing on the other side. Press it all down. You should have something that looks like this. Now, we're ready to cut out the flower. Start cutting from the bottom edge where the flower first separates from the edge of the paper. Do not cut anywhere on this pointy edge or your flower will fall apart. Start here. While you get your scissors out, I'll use a little magic again. Here's what it should look like now. Set the flower to the side and take out the 2 diamond shapes. We want to fold these in half vertically. You don't have to use a scoring board for this, but it really helps. The first one is done. Voila! The next step is to attach the diamonds to the flower. They attach by folding in half, then sticking down along the center fold line. Let's add craft tape to the side we want to stick down. One long strip. And 1 short strip should do it. Peel off the tape backing. Sticky side down. Line up the crease with the dotted line and stick. Now there's a fun little flap here. Repeat the process for the other side. Time for tape. Peel. Push the little flap over on his side. Line the crease up with the center line and press it down. 2 little flaps equals double the fun. Add a little craft tape between the flaps to stick them together. Now it's a cute little handle. Lay the flower out flat so we can add the little hearts. Make sure the handle is on the bottom side closest to you. Lay out your hearts and decide which one goes where. Now add craft tape to the back of each heart and stick it down. A couple of pieces on each heart should be fine. Peel off the tape backing. Line it up carefully and stick it down. Now, repeat the process for the other 3 hearts. How cute! Bend the 2 side flowers to crease the hearts just a bit. Now, you should be able to fold it back into a flower shape. There's that cute little handle again. How neat! Set the flower aside and take out a green piece of paper. The paper should measure 4 inches across and 8 inches tall. I'm going to pre-cut a small piece of craft tape to make it easier later. Let's just stick it over here for now. You stay there, little buddy. Now, we'll take a pencil and line it up diagonally across the bottom corner. Make sure some of the pencil is sticking out from the bottom or you'll never get it back out. Roll the corner of the paper over the pencil. Keep it nice and tight, and keep rolling until you get to the other end. Carefully pick it up so it stays tightly rolled. Pull the pencil out. Now for that little tape we have waiting over here. Line up the corner of the tape with the corner of the paper roll. Peel the backing off and stick it down. Sturdy little tube. Cut off the points to make it flat on both ends like a straw. We have a stem. Now let's attach it to the flower. Turn the flower over so you can see the line on the back. Add craft tape on that line about halfway up from the bottom. Peel off the tape backing and stick down the stem. Press it down firmly. It's okay if the top gets a little squished. Ta-da! So cute. Now add it to a small vase for that final touch. Make more for a fuller bouquet. Good job.